Okay guys, let's try something different. If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these black slouch socks into these bling and mirrored slouch junk socks, keep watching this video. Okay, so before we get into the socks, I'm going to take some Bob Smith glue and add a bar pen on the back of this glitter UV resin bear that I previously made because I want to have some little bear brooches on the front of the socks. And that's going to be my main focal point. I'm also just going to top it off with a little bit of UV resin just so I can use these like right away. And I just use any regular UV resin from Amazon, and that's where this lamp came from as well. And I'm just going to allow that to cure, and now it's ready. So I'm starting off by adding the sock brooch on the front. And I'm going to be adding the larger size rhinestones and these acrylic mirrors. So I got these off Amazon and they're really cool. They come with like a little covering on them. So before you get started or after your project is over, make sure you peel off the protective sheet because you'll think they look dull, but they actually have a great shine to them. Actually look just like a mirror. Can you imagine what these are going to look like in the actual sun? These are going to be so cute. So I just want to try something different. These were a birthday gift for someone. One of my kids went to a birthday party and I thought it would be cute to give these to the birthday girl. So I'm basically just going back and forth between the socks, laying them on the sides, and I'm using E6000 glue. The reason why it's covered up with paper towel is because the bottle kind of cracked and it was like kind of oozing out. So that was my way of trying to save the bottle, you know, and from making a mess with all the E6000 glue. So you're basically going to just take the mirror pieces and apply them wherever you like. As I went on doing this sock, I'm like, some of these pieces are kind of big. They're random shapes and sizes, which is cool. But I was like, I think I want to make them smaller. So what I think I ended up doing was kind of breaking these in half, but be careful so you don't cut yourself. Breaking them in half so I can have even more smaller pieces in certain areas, and I think it turned out really cute. And these acrylic mirrors come in just about every color. Again, you can find them on Amazon. And then also on my website, myroyalradiance.com, I do have some mirrored brooch sets available. But these I'm just gluing directly on. These aren't brooches. I decided to just glue these straight on. E6000 is very dependable when it comes to gluing things on fabric. So yes, these are washable. You can wash them by hand and hang dry them, let them air dry, and you'll be all fine. These are really simple and easy to do. And you can get these little foot displays on Amazon also. These socks, I purchased them in bulk from Alibaba.com. And I will have a link to where you can purchase these socks. I'm giving that vendor information away for free. It'll be in the description area. These socks are almost finished. Of course, you can add any color. You can add more brooches, less brooches. You can add chains. This is just a really cute and cool idea that I personally haven't seen anyone else do. I like to try to do things outside the box and try new things. So I really wanted to see how this will look with the mirrors on here. And I think these are really pretty. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these acrylic mirrors. I know they do look really sharp on the ends. They aren't really that sharp. They're kind of like dull on the ends. It's just if you try to break them in half, then it can be a little sharp. But these turned out really cute. The girl that they used to for her birthday, she really thought these were super cute. She had never saw anything like it, so she was really grateful for these. And I really enjoyed making these. I'll be making more of these because I do have other color mirrors that I want to try this on. And I just really think these are nice. Consider, you know, when you're making these, fingerprints, thumbprints, things of that nature. So you can definitely leave the covering on, like the little backing sheet on them if you want to. Peel them all off at the end. That's an option if you're concerned about the fingerprints. The bear, UV resin bears I made, I'll have a link to where you can buy the molds for those bears if you're interested. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you did like it, share it on Facebook or send it to someone who may be interested in something like this. Subscribe if you want to. If not, thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the Slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.